All right, so my first project here, I'm going to be replacing my fire pit. I got this one about 3 years ago. It was like $100 or something like that. You can see it's pretty well rusted out. There's not really much left of it. I enjoy using my fire pit, so I want to put in a nice like paver fire pit. So here I marked out a 60-inch circle. And start digging it out. So the fire pit I'm going to be building is just one of the kits from Lowe's. I think it's like a 48-inch circle. So I dug out a 60-inch circle here, which will give me kind of a nice base border. Plenty of room to work with. So just digging out the fire pit. More digging out. You'll see I kind of tossed some dirt behind me. That's where I ended up emptying out the wheelbarrow anyway. It was just kind of over the cliff behind my house. I want to eventually fill that in one day with a nice retaining wall. So figured put some fill down there. Why not? Yeah, you see I was wetting down the dirt. It was really dry, so I was kind of hoping the hose would help make it a little easier to work with, which it did. It helped a lot. Yeah, I was trying to use a screed board, but I cut it to the size of the circle, so I couldn't really move it around much. So, of course, I just got to cut it down some more so I can wiggle it back and forth a bit. Tamping it down with my feet. I don't have a hand tamper. I wasn't going to buy one for this project. Got a little later. I took a dinner break, ran to Lowe's, got the base material, and putting that out now. All right, so that's where I'm going to stop for day one. I got it dug out. I got some of the sand down. I still got 3 more bags I can put down. I didn't really get it level today. I'll pull out the level tomorrow and get the right size board. But I'm pretty happy with where it is so far. It's getting dark, so can't really do much more tonight. I think I'm going to call it a day, and we'll pick up tomorrow.